Hey everyone, welcome back to Ask a CPA, where we answer your most pressing tax questions. Today's question comes from Emily in Washington State, who asks, do I have to pay taxes on my side hustle income? I drive for Uber, I sell on Etsy, but it's just extra cash on the side. Do I really have to report this and pay taxes on this income? Well, this is a great question, Emily. And Emily submitted her question through our website at askacpa.co. If you have a question, head over there, submit your question online. And Emily, unfortunately, yes, you have to pay taxes on your side hustle income. Even if it's just a side gig, it still counts as taxable income. So if you deliver for DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Grubhub, if you ride share for Uber or Lyft, or freelance for Upwork or Fiverr, the IRS considers your side hustle as a business, and you need to report this income and expenses just like any regular business and pay income taxes on the net amount. Now, the IRS will require you to report all self-employment income even if you don't receive a 1099. Now, if you earn $400 or more from a side gig, you're subject to self-employment tax, which is Social Security and Medicare. Income under $400, you may still owe income tax, but not self-employment tax. Now, how is this reported? So it's all reported on a Schedule C and it's subject to self-employment tax. So on the Schedule C of your filing on your Form 1040, you will list out your side hustle income on line 1, and then you subtract all of your business expenses. We'll cover this in just a second. But this will determine your net profit. Then your net profit is going to be subject to income tax and self-employment tax, which is 15.3%. So let's look at a quick example. Let's say you made $10,000 driving for Uber, and you had $3,000 of expenses, which would be gas or mileage or insurance and software expense. Then your taxable income is going to be $7,000, which is subject to both income tax and self-employment tax. Now, to maximize your deductions and to lower your taxes, the good news is you can deduct your business expenses to lower your taxable income. So, some common side hustle deductions. If you're driving for Uber, you can deduct mileage or gas, car maintenance, and insurance. If you're selling on Etsy, you can deduct materials, shipping, transaction fees, website costs. If you're freelancing, you can deduct software, home office, internet, marketing expenses. All of these are going to be ordinary and necessary in the course of business and will be completely tax deductible. So as an example, let's say you made $20,000 freelancing and you deduct $5,000 of expenses. This is from your laptop, from your software, your internet, your home office supplies. Now you're only going to pay tax on the $15,000 of that net amount, not the $20,000 of gross sales. Now let's take a look at quarterly estimated tax payments. Now here's where most people get caught off guard is estimated tax payments. So unlike your W-2 job, your gig work does not have taxes withheld. So you may need to pay quarterly estimated tax payments if you expect to owe more than $1,000. Now these are due on April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th. So a good rule of thumb is to set aside 25 to 30% of your side hustle earnings for taxes so you don't get hit with a big bill come April 15th. Now let's look at a quick bonus tax strategy. So to reduce taxes is to, one of the best ways is to contribute to a retirement plan. So you want to keep even more of your money in your pocket. Consider contributing to a retirement plan for self-employed individuals. Now, some of the best retirement plan options for side hustlers are the traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. You contribute up to $7,000 and potentially reduce your taxable income. A solo 401k is another great option. If you're making $30K or above, you can contribute up to $69,000 pre-tax and significantly reduce your taxable income. The third and final option is going to be the SEP IRA. You can contribute up to 25% of your net earnings, and this will lower your taxable income. Now, what happens if you don't report your side hustle income? Now, skipping taxes on side hustle income could lead to penalties, interest, or even an IRS audit. Now, the IRS gets copies of all your 1099 forms from the companies like Uber and Etsy. So if you don't report it, they will notice and you'll receive a nice little love letter from the IRS. Now, Emily, I hope this helps. If you have a side hustle, just remember, report your income, track your expenses, and set aside some money for taxes. And if you want to keep more of your retirement earnings, take advantage of other deductions like the retirement contribution option. Now, if you have any questions you want answered, drop them in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more great CPA insights. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is Ask a CPA. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.